Now let's talk about how you can fix the green screen on your iPhone. Let's get into it. So most definitely you probably have a situation where you have like a green line on the screen or some green part has appeared, just like in my case as well. And there are some things you can do. First of all, you can try to restart the iPhone, just perform a quick reset to see if anything changes. If the issue was just the software, which could be the case, then a simple restart will get it fixed. So it's not going to be that big of an issue. Also, speaking of the software, just look for the software update. And if there is something you can install, go ahead and do so because it is possible that it might get it fixed. But as you can see in my case, it doesn't really matter what I do in terms of the software, as the phone has simply been smashed. It just fell to the ground and the screen is just broken, it's damaged, and that's why it looks how it looks. So what I can do in this situation is to check out whether my phone is still under warranty. This can be found inside of the settings. Then part of the general, we can find some information about the phone, which includes the Apple Care and warranty situation. So if you happen to have Apple Care, that's great. Or if your phone is covered under some sort of warranty, make sure to use that to get your phone fixed. But if your coverage has expired, just like in my case, well, I'm stuck on my own with fixing that issue. So I can just, pay for it myself or, get in touch with some other service providers which are, authorized to perform some changes and repairs on my phone. But yeah, this is basically all that I really can do in this situation. Let me know below in the comments if you have some specific thoughts or something you want to share with us, or if you managed to fix it any other way. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.